Good morning to all. This is Lukumar from SNS College of Technology and Department of Computer Engineering. So today now I'm going to tell about what is simple object access protocol in web designing concept. First things, what is simple SOAP? It is called as a simple object access protocol. These protocols for exchanging structured information in web services. So it is a platform and language independent, so which means it can be used across different systems and programming languages. So these simple object access protocol messages are typically formatted in XML version. So it supports multiple communications protocols such as HTTP and SMTP and TCP and more, so making it versatile for data exchange across networks. So it's like a client and server. The data and the SOAP standards were using the different data. The data is sent to this severe server with the SOAP standards. So we have a client and server request. The client is going to access the request, give the request, and the server is going to reply the request. So this is called as an SOAP. This is the basic key characteristics of simple object access protocol. So first one is a platform and language agnostic, and then multiple protocol support and XML messaging and synchronous and asynchronous messaging. So the platform and language independent can be used for regardless of the underlying the system of programming languages, and it is support multiple protocol support. It's like it works various protocols like a hypertext transfer protocol and a simple mail transfer protocol and a transmission control protocol. So next one, XML messaging. XML messaging in this protocol, it is used to XML based as well as allowing a flexible and standardized data representation. So that's why they're using the XML messaging. Next one, supported synchronous and asynchronous messaging. So it can handle both immediate and delayed communication. So that they are using the synchronous asynchronous messaging, are very important in this process. So next one is in W3 standardized. So it is a widely accepted standard maintained by the World Wide Web Consortium. Basically, it is built with error handling and firewall and proxy friendly, and also security support with this business to business consumers, and support complex transactions. This is the SOAP message structure. These SOAP message structures consist of envelope and header and body and default. The envelope, it defines the start and end of the messages, and header contains the optional attributes like authentication details, and bodies, it is going to carries the actual message data, and default is going to contains the error and status information if something goes wrong. So this is the simple object access protocol message structure. So this is the simple message example. So it is on a platform and language neutrality, and a strong protocol support, and extensible of secure and suitable for complex central level applications. So in these we have applied an XML code. So it enable distributed applications to communicate by exchanging XML messages. So a client send a SOAP as request to a service endpoint, so which is process the request and returns a SOAP response. So it is standardized and allows integration across diverse systems and seamlessly. So this is how the XML version, the envelope covers, and the body of the messages, and the body of the elements going to executed. The number 4 parameter required by the web services, because this is the unique identification ID for creating your own messages. So this is how SOAP works. So before I said that the end user going to give the request to the SOAP access protocol, and the end user customer service also available. Your system is going to include this process, and then the user SOAP API to submit the request to the thread. So thread is always in the web services application program interfaces. The thread is going to request the thread-based processing system. It will accept the request, and it state the request and returns the responsible to the SOAP API to the process. So it will create a more end users programs, and it will create the more diverse systems seamlessly, so that it will work very clearly, as well as different protocols such as applications as well as something flooring to the creations. So it create a more suitable complex and enterprises level applications, and be taken more applicables. So we have a develop user end user applications, and a thread process like a API request process, and a thread web services API. So what are the different advantages of SOAP is available in these web services mean it is in a platform independent language neutrally, it will work the more consumed to the other platforms, and also strong protocol support. It is support more than 10 to 15 protocols in these web concept designings, and also it is using the extensible and secure one, and as well as suitable for complex as well as enterprises level applications. Okay, so we have some different concepts in SOAP as well as REST, choosing the right protocol. So what are we using a SOAP when we are going to go into REST means the SOAP is preferred when security and transaction reliability and formal contracts are crucial. So often this enterprise environment, so the REST is lighter and preferred for web and mobile applications required quick and stateless interactions. So this is the main choosable for SOAP and REST, choosing the right protocol. Okay, so this is mind map for this section, so please refer it. So this is my reference.